Today, we're checking out Prosp, an automated LinkedIn outbound tool that helps you find high-quality leads and book more meetings with AI. Prosp helps you find leads, run automated LinkedIn campaigns, and personalize outreach, all from one easy-to-use dashboard. You'll be able to find high-quality leads with Prosp's built-in Leads Finder. Search for potential clients using filters like industry, location, job title, language, even keywords and recent activity. No sales navigator required. Just click Preview to see all your leads and add them to your campaign. You can also add LinkedIn group members, event attendees, and people engaging with your content. Upgrade to Tier 3 to connect 10 LinkedIn accounts and send unlimited campaigns. From there, you can automate outreach with smart sequences. Set up actions like visiting profiles, liking posts, and leaving comments. Then use AI to automate connections, messages, and in-mails. And don't worry, Prosp can help personalize messages by sprinkling in some details from their profile and recent posts. He'll even send personalized voice notes if you want. Prosp helps you automate follow-ups to stay top of mind and reply to leads with helpful links like free resources, lead magnets, or meeting links. It also lets you track results and limit daily activity to keep your account safe. Plus, you can use the Prosp CRM to manage contacts across campaigns and keep track of your replies in the unified inbox. You can even set reminders and save text snippets to reuse later. And with the built-in API and webhook capabilities, you'll be able to connect all your other tools. Level up your LinkedIn outreach this year. Click Buy Now to lock in lifetime access to Prosp today.